This is my homework. Make up, mark up, break up, check in, look at, look after, drink a cup of coffee, think of, take away, read alphabet, catch up, teach you, cartoon, each other, call up, pull up, pull automatic, middle list, turn on, turn off, turn over, the tone of voice, mind and jaw, hold on, good at, every wording, would it be, computer information, WhatsApp, part of, leave it, leave it, a method, win the battle, a lot of information, and when other emotion, night and day, please call again, in and out. We need to leave in a few minutes.